Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn doing a feeding update on my neon tetras. My plant here, and they're all here again looking beautiful, swimming happily with my catfish and other tetras and my moon tetra and my heart water plant, and they're all swimming peacefully in the back. I'm doing good this morning, and I just gave them their breakfast. Two little Barbs back here, my red Barb and my red neon tetra, blue tetra. My other ones are all here, my green tetra. And they all look really good this morning after having their breakfast. Hope y'all enjoy. God bless and Jesus loves you all. I love you out there. Hope you enjoy. God bless.